insane.
So welcome to another vlog. It's me and Scoot out on the road, and today we're here with the Lambo at Cadwell Park. We're not taking it on the track. We are going to get a sound check just to find out what it's going to be like for some events next year. But today we're with the Lotus on track guys and hashtag Team Scotland. Baz, Andy and all the guys are here with their Lotuses and a really cool array of cars. This track is tight and windy. I'm going out in the 211 with Baz. That, as you'll see, is a stripped out Exige ready for the track. Let's go have some fun. So apparently going out on the track in this with Baz isn't scary enough. I'm going out with ARD's instructor, Andy Gordon, who, yeah, let's see what happens.
So, whilst Ciro is on track in Baz's car with Andy, I believe, also just a quick reminder, you're going to have to excuse some of the wind noise. Today it is very, very windy, and having the mics on people trying to get their voices compared to getting sound of the cars, it's quite difficult, but we're trying our best. But it is literally the mini Nürburgring. I'm pretty sure this is why Cadwell's been called that. It is so cool seeing these Lotuses go past, and yeah. Can I say I'm a little bit nervous? Yes, I can. Am I excited? Yes. Yeah, I just don't know what to expect, and it should be really cool.
So literally lap one was fear, scare, and then the second lap onwards it was like we were floating, and there was like a serenity to the experience. He went through the first corner 120, he lost it a little bit and brought it back. Apparently that's the fastest he's been in that corner with a passenger, so I was like, by that point the car felt like it was just floating, gliding across the track. It was biblical in terms of experience. It's amazing, you're going to love it.
So that wouldn't pass.
107
at 3,000 revs. So hold on a minute. So we've sound checked the Lambo, not because we're going to go out on track today, purely to find out from a supercar track day possibility what the limits are. Knowing this one's custom bespoke exhaust, we know it's loud. 107 at the 3,000 rev limit. Their limit today is 105, so that's good. That is good. So we'll see what we can get arranged. We've got a meeting at 11 o'clock with one of the main guys here, so let's find out.
it on.
Oh, this is quite cosy.
Yeah.
try and get out of this.
Remember, that's done.
Just like that. That was insane, and there was one bit where it was a proper clenching cheeks moment, as I think Baz will tell us, but yeah, that was insane, and hopefully the GoPro came out well. Me and Ciro have just left the track.
We're not being gangsters, we've got helmet hair.
Honestly, our hairs are awful now.
Hair's bad, stomach's turned.
Yes.
I feel sick.
Yeah,
that last run in the Evora GTE was unreal, but God, yeah, I felt it, and yeah, amazing. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, hope you enjoyed the action. We're always bringing you something different, we're always keeping busy, and yeah, we're on it.
Just enjoy the V12 sound. But without further ado, like Ciro said, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, we'll have to see what adventure's next. So we'll see you guys next time.